Hey guys, it's Steven14 and I'm here with Rowan the red velvet fox, and we're just outside on the dock because the lake is starting to unfreeze, I guess. And you can see some open water over there, and it's pretty nice. It's really nice out today. It's gonna be even nicer tomorrow, so we're just gonna venture out in the yard and stuff, because that's always fun. Ooh, it's a feather. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. So that's what we're going to do, I guess. We're going to just walk around looking for cool things. Yeah. Look at that. Whoa. The pine tree? I guess? Yes. Okay. Okay, let's go walking down here. These ones are from like a different kind of flower that I don't know what it's called, but it looks really cool. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, there's lots of cool sights. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, this is kind of gross, but these are for pumpkins. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna poke it with a stick. This is not a very solid stick, but it went through it. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Oh, that is not a good one. Oh, that is... Okay, leaving this area right now. Yes, gorgeous. Boop. What a cutie. I guess I will end the video off by, like, climbing up into the treehouse. Ooh, lighting. Nice. It's so pretty outside, and there's, like, dead grass and stuff, but it's still pretty. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Let's throw her.